Good morning students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today let us learn about English grammar. I have brought 3 balloons for you. Can you see this? Yellow balloon, green balloon, red balloon. Listen to me carefully. Yellow balloon is a big balloon. Green balloon is bigger than yellow balloon. Red balloon is the biggest of all. Let me write these sentences on the board. See, I have written here big, bigger, biggest. These are called adjectives in English grammar. When we use the adjectives to compare persons or object, we are said to be using degrees of comparison. Today, let us learn about degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degrees of comparison. There are 3 types of degrees of comparison. First one is the positive degree. In my example, that is big. The comparative degree, bigger. The superlative degree, biggest. The positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. The positive degree. It is used to refer to one person, object, place without making any comparison. It simply describes the existence of a quality. She has a big car. Here car is noun. How is that car? Big. Big is the adjective. Comparison is not made between any objects here. What are the rules of a positive degree? First rule is noun plus as plus adjective or adverb plus as. We can use adverb also instead of a adjective. Ramesh is as tall as Mahesh. Here you see height of Ramesh and the height of Mahesh is similar. Both have the similar height. So, here comparison is not made. Both are similar in their height. Both are tall. Ramesh is as tall as Mahesh. Second rule is no other dash dash as plus adjective or adverb plus as. No other boy in the class is as tall as Mahesh. Here, when Mahesh is unique in the sentence, he is unique here. He is the single person, he is the tallest boy in the class. Then we have to start positive degree by using no other. No other boy in the class is as tall as Mahesh. He is the tallest boy in the class. That is why we have to follow this rule. Next one is very few dash 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 are or were dash dash as plus adjective plus as. Here in the example you see, very few boys in the class are as tall as Krishna. Here Krishna is one among the many. Many tallest boys are there. Krishna is one among them. Then we have to start positive degree by using very few, very few. Here very few boys, many are there, among them who is one here? Krishna. These are the rules to follow positive degree. Second one is the comparative degree. It refers to greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare two or more objects, people or places. At least two things or two nouns we need to compare in comparative degree. Her house is bigger than my house. Her house is bigger than my house. Two things are compared, her house and my house here. What are the rules we can follow for comparative degree? First rule is dash 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 adjective plus than. That is, Sita is shorter than Anita. Here two persons, who are they? Sita and Anita are compared, and Sita is shorter than Anita. Adjective is shorter, after that we have to add than. This is the first rule. Which is the second rule? Dash 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 adjective plus than plus any other dash. Sita is shorter than any other girl in the class. Shorter is the adjective, soon after adjective we have to add than, next any other. This is the second rule of comparative degree. Here Sita is unique. She is the shortest one in the class. No other girl is as short as Sita. Then we have to use this for the comparative degree. Any other girl. She is the shortest one. Third one is dash 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 adjective plus than plus most or many other. When a person is compared among the group, then the comparative degree is like this. Sita is shorter than many other students in the class. Why many other? Because she is one among the many. Shorter is the adjective, soon after adjective we have to add than, next many other, not any other. She is not unique, she is in the group. So many girls are there who are like Sita. That is why we have to write comparative degree in this way. Third one is the superlative degree. It refers to the greatest degrees of comparison. It is used to compare more than two objects, people, places. Superlative degree is not possible if only two things are compared. His house is the biggest of all. Biggest, that is the, before this adjective you have to add the in the superlative degree. The biggest, the smallest, the largest, etc. Rules. Dash 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 the plus adjective. Rama is the wisest student in the class. Here he is the wisest student in the class. No other boy or student in the class is as wise as Ram here. He is unique. That is why we have to follow this rule. When he is in the group, then we have to write a second rule. Dash 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 one of the plus adjective. This is also very important. Ram is one of the wisest students in the class. One of the. He is one among the many wisest student in the class. So, After one of the adjective is wisest and next noun should be plural, student, one of the friends, one of the brothers, one of the students. Ram is one of the wisest students in the class. Forming degrees of comparison. For most adjectives, the comparative degree is formed by adding er and the superlative degree is formed by adding est to the positive form. Here these are the positive forms. Short, that is in a positive form. What is the comparative degree of this? Just add er for this. Shorter, it will be comparative. What is the superlative degree? Just add est to this. Superlative is a shortest. Here also kind, add er, kinder, that is a comparative. For superlative, just add est, kindest. Short, shorter, shortest, kind, kinder, kindest. If the positive form of adjective ends in e, then the comparative degree is followed by adding r and the superlative degree is formed by adding st to the positive form. For example, positive form is gentle, comparative is just add r for that, it will become gentler. Gentlest is the superlative because you have added st here. Next one is wise, wiser, wisest. Wise, last letter is e, so just add r and comparative will be formed. Superlative is wisest, already e is there, just add st. If the positive form of an adjective ends in y and it has a consonant before it, then y is changed to I before adding er and est to the positive form. If y has a vowel before it, then er and est are simply added to the positive form. Example, heavy. Here y letter is the last letter. Before that consonant is there. What is that? V. Then we have to write I instead of I here, instead of y here, and simply adding er and comparative will be formed. Same way, removing y and adding I and est, then it will be the superlative degree. But next word you see grey. Last letter is y, but before that vowel is there, e. Then just add er for y and make comparative and just est and it is a superlative. Grey, grayer, greyest. For some adjectives, the last letter of the positive form is doubled before adding er and est to the form, est to form the comparative and superlative degrees respectively. That means sad you see here, sad, which is the last letter d. You double it, dd, and add er and it will be sadder is the comparative degree. Last letter d, make it double, dd, est, saddest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Here last letter is doubled and added er for the comparative and est to the superlative degree. For adjectives having more than 2 syllables, the comparative degree and superlative degrees are formed by adding more and most respectively before the positive form. For example, wonderful. It will be more wonderful. We will not say wonderfuller. That is a wrong usage. So, before wonderful, we have to add more to make it a comparative degree. And in superlative degree, we have to write most wonderful, not wonderfulness. That is wrong usage. Most wonderful is the superlative degree of wonderful. Useful, more useful, most useful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. For some adjectives, the comparative and superlative degrees are formed by using completely different words. No such rules are applied here. For example, good, better, best. Little, less or lesser, least. Good is the positive degree, better is the comparative degree, best is the superlative degree. Little, less, least, or little, lesser, least. Many, more, most, or much, more, most. Dear students, let us practice degrees of comparison. No other writer is as great as Kuvempu. This is in positive degree. How to make out? Say no other is there, no other as adjective is great, it is in the positive form, and Kuvempu is unique here. Then what is the comparative degree for this? Kuvempu is greater than any other writer. This is the comparative degree of this. What is the superlative degree? Kuvempu is the greatest writer. Kuvempu is the greatest writer. Great, greater, greatest, the greatest. Last one is the superlative degree. I will take the same example, but difference you see now. Very few writers are as great as Kuvempu. Kuvempu is one among the many here. Then what is the comparative degree? Kuvempu is greater than many other writers. Many other writers. Superlative degree is Kuvempu is one of the greatest writers. One of the greatest writers, greater than many other. as great as. Next one. The Hirakud is the longest dam in India. This is in which degree? Longest, superlative degree. The longest, not one of the longest. Then it is unique. Which is unique? The Hirakud is unique. What is the positive degree of this? No other dam in India is as long as Hirakud. No other dam in India is as long as Hirakud. This is unique. That is why we have to start positive degree by using no other. What is the comparative degree of this? The Hirakud is longer than any other dam in India. Longer than and any other. We are not supposed to write many other because here it is unique. So, we have to write any other. Third one is the comparative degree here. First one already you know, that is superlative degree. Second one is positive degree. Let us take another example. Solar energy is the cheapest form of energy. Can you recognize the degree here? Cheapest, superlative degree. It is unique. We have not written here one of the cheapest. It is the cheapest. Then what is the positive degree of this? No other form of energy is as cheap as solar energy. This is the positive degree. What is the comparative degree? Solar energy is cheaper than any other form of energy. This is the comparative degree. It is unique, no, that is why we have to write any other, not many other. Next example is Darjeeling is more pleasant than any other hill station. Can you recognize the degree here? Pleasant, more pleasant. It is the comparative degree. What is the positive degree of this? This is unique here, any other, not many other. So, positive will start from no other. No other hill station is as pleasant as Darjeeling. This is the positive degree. What is the comparative degree? Darjeeling is more pleasant than any other hill station. Positive is no other hill station is as pleasant as Darjeeling. It is unique, so we have to write no other and as plus adjective plus as. What is the superlative degree? Darjeeling is the most pleasant hill station. The most pleasant, it indicates superlative degree. Next one. Raju is taller than any other student in the class. Taller than any other. It is the comparative degree. What is the positive degree of this? No other. He is unique here. That is why no other boy. Here a student is given. So, write student only. No other student in the class is as tall as Raju. No other student in the class is as tall as Raju. This is the positive degree. What is the superlative degree? Raju is the tallest student in the class. Student in the class. He is unique, no? That is why we have to follow this rule. This is the superlative degree. Let us take another example. Very few Indian saints were as popular as Vivekananda. Very few. Here you see, this is the positive degree. Very few, verb plus as plus adjective plus as. Which is the positive degree here? Popular. It indicates positive degree. Very few Indian saints were as popular as Vivekananda. Vivekananda is compared among the group. He is not unique. Then what is the comparative degree of this? This is the positive degree. What is the comparative degree of this? Vivekananda. Even you see tense of the statement, it is in a past tense. So, you have to write same tense for the following degrees. Vivekananda was more popular than many other Indian saints. Indian saints. Vivekananda was more popular than many other Indian saints. Here more popular, it is a comparative degree. After that many other I have written, not any other, because he is one among the group. What would be the superlative degree? Vivekananda was one of the most popular Indian saints. This is the superlative degree, this is the comparative degree. Vivekananda was one of the most popular Indian saints. Let us go to next example. Manoj is one of the tallest boys in the class. This is the superlative degree, and very few boys in the class. After that are, not were, because is there, no. What is the verb in the superlative degree? Is. So, very few boys in the class are as tall as Manoj. This is the positive degree. What is the comparative degree of this? Manoj is taller than many other boys in the class. This is the comparative degree. Manoj is taller than many other boys in the class. Taller than many other. Do not write any other in this type. Dear students, I hope that you have understood today's grammar class, that is degrees of comparison. Thank you.